Hey kids, how are you? So from the last week, I thought why not make every Sunday special and why not do something truly beautiful every Sunday, which not only adds meaning but also adds a lot of value in your lives. So here I am, Dr. Vani, on behalf of India's truly most trusted, most loved bio channel, that is We Biotonic, in front of you with a very different class. When I was young, I started reading when I was really, a little girl. I started to read, and I was also introduced to gardening, and these two remain one of my most cherished hobbies till now. And I feel that there are so many times that we are sometimes upset, we are sad, we cannot talk to people. It is at that time that your hobbies come to your rescue. I also feel that we get various chances to develop our character, to develop our thought processes, to become more aware of what is happening in the world and to develop our mindsets. Reading the right books not only help us to travel without really traveling, हम यहीं पर हो सकते हैं और हम दुनिया भर देख सकते हैं, but also add a lot of depth, meaning and perspective to our thought processes, which is very important. So I'm going to be talking about some books today. These books have made me the adult which I am today. They've left an indelible mark on my personality and on my psyche, and they have, in a way, had very deep, long-lasting impact on how I think, not only about situations in which I am, maybe overall about the world. So, in no particular order, I've written them down after a lot of research because I do read. I do read a lot. So after a lot of research, I've written down some books which I really want you to know about. So one of the oldest books which I remember reading as a young girl and which left a deep impact on my psyche. And after that, I did read a lot on this, is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. How this young child and how it left me with so much of thoughts, कि कैसे you could live in isolation, कैसे छोटी सी जगह में रहना है, सुबह सारा दिन चुप रहना है, इतने डेंजर में रहना है कि कहीं पकड़े ना जाए, और उस बच्चे ने कैसे इन सब चीज़ों से कोप अप किया होगा. And then I read a lot on Auschwitz, where the concentration camp was. I read a lot of literature and other books on it, and I think that is one incident which left a deep mark on my psyche. So yes, you must read The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. It's a beautiful book. To Kill a Mockingbird means किसी की इनोसेंस को मार देना. किसी की इनोसेंस को मार देना is basically meaning of the word To Kill a Mockingbird. Harper Lee ने एक बहुत अच्छी बुक लिखी है To Kill a Mockingbird, and I think you must read this book. It's a beautiful book. Even today, high school में पढ़ाई जाती है ये किताब, और even today when I read it, I get a new insight onto how things work. So बहुत बाद में when I was in college, I came across an Afghanistan-based writer जिनका नाम है Khalid Hosseini. And the Mountain Echoed is a beautiful book which this great author has written. The Kite Runner happened to be one of his first books which I read, and the entire context is war-torn Afghanistan and how human spirit rises, resilience rises, how humanity wins and triumphs. It's a beautiful book that led me to reading a lot of books on Middle Eastern culture. मैंने मायरडा पढ़ी, प्रिंसेस पढ़ी, द तालिबान क्रिकेट क्लब पढ़ी, खालिद हुसैनी की सारी किताबें पढ़ डाली, एंड आई वाज लिटरली, मतलब मुझे मांटो पढ़ी, साहिर लुधियानवी की बहुत किताबें पढ़ी, एंड आई वाज रियली अमृता प्रीतम की बहुत किताबें पढ़ी. तो मुझे ये पता चला ये किताबें पढ़कर कि इंसानियत, ह्यूमन स्पिरिट, ह्यूमन रेजिलियंस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, एंड हाउ व्हेनेवर we are faced with adversities, we are faced with difficult situations, we have it in us to be able to rise. इसी चीज़ से, something very similar to this, I read a book by Jhumpa Lahiri, The Namesake, and बहुत books पढ़ी मैंने Jhumpa Lahiri की. In fact, all the books that are written by Jhumpa Lahiri, I read them. Now, how does Jhumpa Lahiri write? Jhumpa Lahiri's writings are mostly of people who've left India, so they're basically of people of Indian origin, of NRIs. And when I read Jhumpa Lahiri's books and her literature, and she's a Booker Prize winner, when you read such classics, then you realize that everybody has challenges. सो आपको बुक्स ना बहुत सोचने पे दे फोर्स यू टू थिंक. व्हेन आई रेड दीज बुक्स आई डिड रियलाइज दैट एवरीवन हैज चैलेंजेस, स्पेशली पीपल जो अपना सब कुछ छोड़कर कहीं और जाते हैं फॉर अ ग्रीनर पास्चर. दे डू हैव देयर ओन सेट्स ऑफ चैलेंजेस, and humans have challenges and how we can overcome. I came to know about challenges of Afghanistan when I read The Kite Runner. I came to know challenges of Indian diaspora who leave India and go out when I read Jhumpa Lahiri's books. Around 3 or 4 years ago, I did some courses, for development of skills, and then I came across somebody whom मेरे को इतना अजीब लगता है कि क्यों ये पढ़ाया नहीं जाता schools and colleges में. So there is somebody called Viktor Frankl, and I did realize about logotherapy. So Viktor Frankl concentration camp से बाहर निकले थे, बहुत there was a lot of trouble that he had seen in his life, and that's why he could write a beautiful book जिसका नाम है Man's Search for Meaning. You must read this book. It's one of the most beautiful, deeply touching, moving, lots to learn and implement from this book, Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. मुझे रविंद्र संगीत हमेशा से बहुत अच्छा लगा था. I was not born a Bengali, but I could imagine that there is something beautiful which a Nobel laureate from India has found out. So I did read Gitanjali. I tried to read a little bit of Rabindra Sangeet, but I think you need that kind of inclination. या मे बी वैसे थॉट प्रोसेस जो मेरे अभी तक आई डोंट फील हैव डेवलप्ड दैट मच. बट इफ देयर इज एनी बंगाली इन द हाउस, इफ पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड इन लिटरेचर, यू मस्ट रीड रविंद्र संगीत, यू मस्ट रीड Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore. I liked it. Moving ahead, I read a book by Chimananda Ngozi Adichie, if that's how you pronounce her name. She is an African woman. And then जैसे जैसे आप बहुत जॉनर्स ऑफ ऑथर्स पढ़ते हो, आप मिडल ईस्टर्न ऑथर्स पढ़ते हो, आप टर्किश ऑथर्स पढ़ते हो, ओरहान पामुक मैंने पढ़ा. सो यू रीड अबाउट टर्की. जैसे जैसे आप रूमी के बारे में पढ़ते हो, यू रीड अबाउट पर्शियन पोएट्री. एंड जैसे जैसे यू रीड अबाउट चिमानंदा नगोची अदिची, यू कम टू नो अबाउट अफ्रीकन हिस्ट्री, अबाउट अफ्रीकन women, African men, African children, about their trials, and then you really realize that humanity has come a long way. And धीरे धीरे आप इवॉल्व होते हो, आपके थॉट प्रोसेसेस इवॉल्व होते हैं, you become a more refined version of what you really are. So I read Half of a Yellow Sun by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, and it's a beautiful book. You must read it. I then, around 5 or 6 years ago, maybe 7-8 years ago, I read a lot of fiction. I started to then get into a lot of philosophy. And मैंने एक बहुत अच्छी किताब पढ़ी जिसका नाम है Tuesdays with Maury. It's a book between a conversational book, between short, simple, sweet book between a very old man and a young boy. And what nuggets of wisdom do they exchange, what is life told by a very old man to a young child. It's a beautiful book. आप जब भी लाइफ में दो राय में हो, you feel that you don't, something is not going right, you must have a small book. इतनी सी book है Tuesdays with Maury. You must have it on your table and you must read it. You can pick up any page and start reading it. It's a deeply insightful book. When I was in 9th, 10th, 11th, I think I also got introduced to the concept of reading chicken soups. Chicken soups are there for a variety of reasons. Chicken soup for a young teenager soul, chicken soup for a mother's soul, chicken soup for a pet lover soul, chicken soup for for a depressed soul, chicken soup for a happy soul. ऐसे बहुत books हैं. Short stories, extremely wise, deep, insightful, with so much to to gather from these stories. I have a student जिनको वेदांतु के थ्रू में मिली थी, उनका नाम अंजलि पी है. Around 3 years back maybe, she gifted me she's cleared her KVP by beautiful, bright, brilliant girl. She gifted me a book called Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. तो ये जो book है Sapiens, बहुत रिसर्च की हुई बुक है. Every page is well researched, very well documented किताब है. And how did humans come and reach the stage where they are is a book called Sapiens. You must read it. It's an amazing book. When I started to get into poetry, philosophy, gratitude, ऐसी चीज़ों पर मैंने I started to think. I came across Rumi and I loved his poetry. बहुत books लिखी हैं रूमी की. इसमें एक टर्किश ऑथर है जिनका नाम है एलिना शफाक, if I'm pronouncing it right. 40 रूल्स ऑफ लव करके उन्होंने एक बहुत अमेजिंग बुक लिखी है रूमी पर. एंड यू मस्ट, अगर आपको रूमी की पोइट्रीज अच्छी लगती है, यू मस्ट रीड 40 days of love, 40 shades of love या 40 days of love, ऐसा है, एलिना शफाक, ब्यूटिफुल बुक, यू मस्ट रीड इट। आई रेड जिडू कृष्णमूर्ति, वन ऑफ ग्रेट फिलोसोफर्स, इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट के बहुत माने हुए बहुत अच्छे फिलोसोफर्स हैं, टीचिंग के ऊपर, टीचर्स के ऊपर उन्होंने बहुत बुक्स लिखी है। आई रेड हिज बुक कॉल्ड फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द नाउ and it's a lovely book, you must read it, and you know, आप जिस स्टेज पे हैं, you must not let the curiosity die, like Annie of Green Gables एक बच्चों की कहानी है, पर मैंने अभी 2 साल पहले, शायद 1 साल पहले पढ़ी, and I loved that book। मैटिल्डा, ये ऐसी बुक्स है जो छोटे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, पर अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ी है, प्लीज़ रीड, बिकॉज ये वंडर है, मिस्टिसिज्म है, यू नो, देयर इज अ इंचैंटिंग फीलिंग इन दीज बुक्स एंड यू मस्ट रीड इट। बट आप लोगों के लिए आई ऑल्सो हैव अनदर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बुक जो मैंने मल्टीपल टाइम्स पढ़ी है, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People। प्लीज़ रीड दिस बुक, इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल, इट्स अ वंडरफुल बुक एंड यू मस्ट रीड दिस बुक। यू नो, मेरे को फिजिक्स कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता था, पर शायद कभी उस तरह से फिजिक्स को अप्रोच ही नहीं किया था, सो आई रेड अ बुक कॉल्ड ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ टाइम, सबने पढ़ी होगी, बाय स्टीफन हॉकिंग, एंड इट ब्लू माई माइंड, it just blew my mind। but in the recent times अगर कोई बुक है जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टच की है, and I've been greatly motivated, inspired to do the right thing, to offer gratitude, to speak the truth under all circumstances, there is this book called The Book of Kindness, by the same author. There's another book called If Truth Be Told, it's written by Om Swami, Indian author again, and it's a beautiful book, you must read this book, it's been pretty much life changing for me, and you must also you know, read these books, they are supremely amazing books। so I think that's about it। I tried to out of the hundreds and thousands of books that I on and off read here and there, these were a list of some books which I want you to you know, get for yourself, start reading, buy them second hand, third hand, get a Kindle copy, get a hard copy, buy them off the road, buy them off the shelf, but read, because reading books will change your life, children, it's going to really change your life, it's one of the best hobbies that you can have, and it'll be really nice if you could read and share your thoughts with me, right? So that's all from my garden today. Take care, bye bye।